Today, we're diving deep into Airtable, a tool that combines the flexibility of a spreadsheet with the functionality of a database. It's designed to help teams collaborate, organize, and manage projects efficiently, making it one of the top choices for anyone looking to streamline their workflow. From creating custom databases to setting up workflows and automations, Airtable allows you to tailor your workspace to your needs. When you first open Airtable, you'll be greeted with an easy-to-use interface. You'll notice that you can either start from scratch or use one of the many templates available, like project trackers, content calendars, or CRM systems. These templates are a great starting point for anyone unfamiliar with database management, but want something flexible and customizable. Creating your first space is simple. You can add fields, like text, attachments, dates, and links, and then organize them in different views like grid, calendar, Kanban, or gallery. The ability to switch between views allows for easy tracking of tasks and projects in the format that works best for your team. Airtable also allows you to link tables together, which is essential for complex projects that involve multiple pieces of data. What I like most about Airtable is how visually appealing and intuitive the interface is. It's not just a database tool. It's a workspace that encourages creativity and organization at the same time. The drag-and-drop functionality for rearranging elements is smooth, and it makes adding new fields or records quick and easy. In addition to the basic features, Airtable offers powerful collaboration tools. You can share your bases with others, assign tasks, leave comments, and even automate certain actions. For example, you could set up an automation that sends an email whenever a task is completed or when a new entry is added to a specific table. This can save a lot of time and reduce the risk of forgetting important tasks. However, Airtable isn't perfect. One drawback is the pricing structure. While there is a free plan, it comes with limitations on the number of records and attachments you can store. The paid plans, which unlock more advanced features like blocks and increased storage, may be necessary for larger teams or more complex workflows. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. This section contains useful tools and tips to improve your overall productivity, no matter which software you use. Overall, Airtable offers a unique and powerful solution for project management and team collaboration, making it an excellent choice for many use cases. The flexibility of its features combined with its user-friendly design sets it apart from other project management tools. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit the like button if you found this review helpful, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews of productivity tools. I'd love to hear your thoughts on Airtable in the comments below. Let me know if you've used it before, or if you have any questions about the platform.